Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Lavaloon in Clash of Clans. This powerful air attack strategy uses lava hounds to absorb damage while your balloons destroy defensive structures. Mastering Lavaloon requires understanding troop roles and precise timing. We will cover the essential army composition, including the exact number of troops and spells you will need for maximum effectiveness. Preparing your army correctly is the first step towards consistent 3-star attacks, so let us dive into the details right away. Your army composition is key to success with Lavaloon. You will typically want to train 3 or 4 lava hounds, along with 22 to 26 balloons. For spells, 5 rage spells and 2 haste spells are essential for boosting your troops' power and speed. Don't forget a poison spell for enemy clan castle troops and a stone slammer or battle blimp in your clan castle for extra firepower. Ensuring your troops are at their highest possible upgrade level significantly improves their performance on the battlefield. Begin your attack by deploying 1 or 2 lava hounds for each air defense, creating a solid tanking line. Right after, deploy your balloons in a wide arc, aiming to take down multiple defenses simultaneously. Use your rage spells strategically to supercharge your balloons through critical areas like the core or around wizard towers. Haste spells are perfect for quickly moving balloons across gaps or into new defensive sections. Always try to time your Grand Warden's ability to protect your main balloon pack when facing concentrated damage. A common mistake is deploying all your balloons in a single clump, making them easy targets for splash damage. Remember to spread them out for better target distribution. Another crucial tip is to always deal with the enemy clan castle troops effectively, ideally drawing them out with a hog rider and poisoning them. Consistent practice in friendly challenges will dramatically improve your precision and understanding of the strategy. With enough dedication, you will soon be achieving 3-star victories consistently using the powerful Lavaloon attack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.